Hello, and welcome to OpenField. In this tutorial, we will walk you through creating a script. The script contains information about your campaign that your canvassers need to know while having conversations on the doors and phones. You can include a bit of context at the top and add specific questions that are important to track responses for. Scripts are required to create a conversation code. Please note, you can create and edit questions on the questions page or within the script builder. We will review both in this tutorial. Click on the burger bar menu, then click Questions. This page will display all the questions in your garden. Click Add Question to create a new question, or click on an existing question to edit it. You can also click the By Type dropdown to filter questions by their type. When creating a new question, select the question type that best fits from the list of options, then click Save. The question types include Collect Decimal Numbers, which accepts whole and decimal numbers. Collect Emails, which accepts emails and requires appropriate email format such as an @ symbol ending with .com, etc. Long open-ended questions, which accepts numbers and letters up to 1,000 characters. Collect phone numbers, which accepts phone numbers and requires area code formatting. Short open-ended questions, which accepts numbers and letters up to 500 characters. Script text field, which isn't a question to be replied to, but a section for adding other text or instructions to canvassers in your script. It cannot be marked as required. True-false questions, which will accept unknown, true, or false responses. Collect whole numbers, which accepts whole numbers only. Drop-down questions, which accepts drop-down options. Please note that all drop-down options will be available for selection. Multiple select question, which accepts multiple options from a drop-down question type. And finally, collect names, which accepts numbers and letters for first name and last name. Once you've selected a question type, fill out a question name and question text, then tap Save. The question text is displayed in the admin tool, but it's also a good idea to give the question a descriptive name so it's easier to locate when adding to a script. Please note, drop-down questions have specific instructions. They can also be single select or multiple select. Select drop-down question for your question type, then click Save. Fill out your question name and question text. All the options you've added for other drop-down questions will appear when creating a new drop-down question. Under drop-down options, you can select which options you want to populate for this specific question. Hold Control on a PC or Command on a Mac to select multiple options. Clicking again while holding Control or Command will remove the option. Please note that you can also create new drop-down options by tapping the plus icon next to the list, adding the new option, and tapping Save. For multiple select questions, click the checkbox next to Allow Multiple Choices. Then click Save to create your new drop-down question. To delete a question from your garden, click Delete while in the question. You'll be taken to a summary page to review what will be deleted. Review this for accuracy, then tap Yes, I'm sure to delete the question. Now that your questions are created, you can compile them into a script for your canvassers to follow. From your burger bar menu, click on Scripts. The page will show you all the existing scripts available in your garden. Click on the Add Script button to add a new one. Give your script a name and description. You can also add an introduction paragraph that gives your canvassers a chance to introduce themselves and the campaign, making the conversation more authentic and meaningful. Tap any blank question dropdown to select a question from a list of all your previously created questions. Questions appear in the order they were created, so newer questions will be closer to the bottom. Click the plus icon next to any of the blank question dropdowns to open a window to create a new question. Tap the edit icon, which looks like a pencil, next to the question you'd like to edit. You can update the question name or question text in the pop-up window that appears, then click Save. you can click any existing script from the scripts page to open and edit it. You can add or remove questions, change question order, make a question required or not, and delete questions from your script. Please note, script updates happen in real time, so any changes you make will be seen by your canvassers immediately. If you want to remove a question from a script, you can delete it by clicking the Delete checkbox next to the question, and then click Save. Please note, this action only removes the question from the script. It does not permanently delete it from your garden. By default, questions added to scripts will appear in the order they were added. To change the order of a question, just add a number in the order field next to it and click Save. A question with an order of 1 will appear first on the script, an order of 2 will appear second, etc. When a question is required, a canvasser cannot save their conversation without providing an answer. To make a question required, click the Required checkbox to the right of the question, then click Save. Edits to any script can be reviewed to track changes and who made them. While in a script, click the History button at the top to see a change log. You'll see a list of all the changes made to the script, the dates they were made, and the user who made them. On the scripts page, tap the checkboxes next to the scripts you want to delete. Click the Action drop-down, select Delete Selected Scripts, then click Go. You'll be taken to a summary page to review what will be deleted. Review it for accuracy, then click Yes, I'm sure to delete the scripts. Once you delete a script, it cannot be recovered. You will need to make a new script. Thank you for choosing OpenField. If you encounter any issues, please email us at support@openfield.ai for further assistance.